Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to see 4 different recipes using nannari syrup. The first one is ice apple and nannari sarbhat. This we need around 6 to 8 tender ice apples. Mash everything well, but don't use a mixie jar. If you use a mixie jar, this will become a paste. Let us transfer this into another bowl. To this add 3 to 4 tablespoons of nannari syrup and around 3 cups of water. If you want, you can squeeze half a lemon into this, but that is optional. Give a nice mix. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. Refrigerate this before serving. You can also add few ice cubes. The nannari ice apple sarbhat is ready. Next we are going to see nannari soda, a quick and easy to make drink and will taste so good. For a cup of this drink we need juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of nannari syrup and approximately 3/4 cup of soda. The soda has to be chilled. Just pour the soda, don't mix it. Serve this immediately. Our nannari soda is ready. The next drink will be nannari milk. The flavor of saffron will be very nice for this milk, so let us soak a pinch of saffron in water for about 15 minutes. I am going to make 1 cup of nannari milk, so I am going to take 1 cup of milk. This is already boiled and refrigerated. Make sure the milk is chill. To this add 2 tablespoons of nannari syrup, 2 teaspoons of saffron water. Give a nice mix. Add few ice cubes before serving. The nannari milk is ready. Next we are going to see nannari tender coconut sarbhat. We are going to make this sarbhat with tender coconut water and we are not going to use any water at all. Take 2 cups of tender coconut water. To this add few chopped tender coconut. Add around 3 tablespoons of nannari syrup and give a nice mix. This is ready. Let us transfer this into the serving bowl. Serve this chill. It will taste so good. Hope you liked all the recipes. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.